Hello everyone, this is Terry with Futures.io, and as always I would like to thank you for joining us today. It is my pleasure to welcome Lawrence Chan from DaytradingBias for today's webinar, Day Trading the Emini S&P the Smarter Way. Throughout the webinar, if you have a question, please feel free to type them into the questions box. We'll do our best to answer them at the end of the event. This webinar will be recorded and posted on the Futures.io website within 24 to 48 hours. If you are watching this afterwards on YouTube, please do us a favor and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the webinar. And as always, please feel free to share, comment, subscribe to our channel. It really helps us a lot. For trading news, events, and information, follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter using @Futures.io. And now, without further delay, I'll hand it over to Lawrence, and you'll get the pop-up to share your screen again. All right, looking good. She's all yours.
Okay, thank you, Mike and Terry, having me here. Welcome everyone to this introduction webinar about day trading bias and its offerings. I'm Lawrence Chan, the founder of this site. I will try to keep this short so that we have more time for questions. So let's get started. Okay, something about myself. I started my career as a forex trader at the Toronto Stock Exchange about 3 decades ago. Since then, I moved at offshore trading and started managing money for clients. On the side, I created the custom market breadth technology that some of you may be aware of, that is now in use by hedge funds and institutions. I have mentored quite a number of traders over my career. As a disclosure, I am an active investor and I am a significant shareholder in an XM market dealer and a mortgage investment company in Canada. About day trading bias. It was founded some 10 years ago as a gathering place for myself and my trading friends who want to exchange trading ideas and research. Since then, it evolved into a site offering my proprietary trading tools for traders. The site specializes in index trading right now. So before we can talk about the smarter way to trade, we need to take a look at the traditional approach to trading first. The traditional approach to trading is a bottom-up approach. You start from learning how to trade, and hopefully that will take you somewhere. It is a trial and error approach. You learn concepts about trading in a mixture of technical knowledge, psychological preparation, and sometimes some voodoo stuff too. Then one day you think you clicked, so you give it a try with real money. Sometimes you are doing fine and sometimes you're doing bad. From this circumstantial experience, you make judgment calls to stop trading and look for another way to approach it. So you keep repeating this process, hoping that you will eventually find your way. In short, this approach is really subjective, results being inconsistent and quite ambiguous. Only rarely a person has the right mix of personality and background can benefit from this kind of learning process. As we know nowadays, given our advancement in psychology, we know that we should not pursue most of the things with this kind of approach. We know that it is best to pursue something with your strength, not your weaknesses. For most people, their strength is with their analytical skill, organizational skill, or even management skill. Others may be good with their creativity and pattern recognitions. Rarely people have the exceptional quality to deal with uncertainty and adversities. Traditional approach to trading forces people to use their weaknesses as the entrance exam to trading. And that's why so many people cannot make it. Even a person who is talented in trading may not make it. Traditional approach to trading is really doing a disservice to those who give it a try. So the smarter way is the opposite of the traditional approach. The smarter way to trading is a top-down approach to trading. It focuses on helping traders to use their strength to build their trading business. It solves what matters most first, knowing how to run your trading business and upgrading yourself to be able to handle financial matters more effectively. The part on trading skill development is absolutely optional. This minimizes the need of the psychological requirement in trading and maximize your chance of success for any like normal individual. In other words, I'm not trying to change you into another person like what the traditional approach is. I make you aware of who you are and work from there to build your trading business. For those of you who really do not care much about making money and decided to master the craft of trading first, you will know upfront that you have chosen to walk down a difficult path. And with the smarter way, you know that if it does not work out, it is not game over. It is just that you need to pursue trading in a different way and stop wasting time and money on something that will do more harm than good to you. This awareness enables you to approach trading much more logically and effectively. So within the Smarter Way framework, Trading Success Blueprint is the first step for anyone who wants to build a sustainable trading business. The course can be roughly divided into 4 parts. First part of the training focuses on steps you must take to upgrade yourself so that you will be suitable to run your own trading business. It includes instructions on working through your belief system to identify the problematic beliefs before you start trading. For most people, it will take from several weeks to a few months to get to a state that is good enough to progress to the next part. Second part of the training focuses on helping you to build a proper worldview about trading and learn what matters most in trading to achieve long-term success. Third part of the course provide you with a pair of day trading strategies that works consistently for many years. They do not look like any other trading methods you see out there. They are provided to help you open up your mind and have much more realistic expectation from trading. And the last part of the course will bring everything together, showing you how to create your own business plan and steps that you need to take to manage your trading business properly. So once you understand what it takes to run a trading business, it is time to learn something about the financial markets. Specifically, you need some background knowledge on how to process the price data for your trading need. I have written 2 books. In my opinion, they can help you get this done quickly. So the first book is called The Art of Chart Reading. It is written in a really like textbook style as a complete instruction set on how to read the price charts properly. Chart reading is not recognition of a bunch of patterns. That's a common misunderstanding. Chart reading is about a standardized method to analyze charts in an exact way, such that you will arrive at the same conclusion every time, given the exact same information. And art of chart reading is such an algorithm. If you memorize the whole book and start practicing the method, you will get better over time with very consistent analysis results. The thing is, you need to drill on the method if you want to do it right, because day trading really demand really speedy decision making. For those of you who choose to avoid discretionary trading, this book will help you understand why chart patterns exist and how to take advantage of them. The other book I have written is called The Special Theory of Price Discovery. I wrote that book 10 years ago. Back then, I have this urge to tell everyone that I have discovered a concept that works in all time frames, all kinds of charts, and in all kinds of markets. What I describe in the book is that price behavior is not linear, and it is possible to know where price is heading by knowing just part of the fractal structure. But the bots you see trading the Emini S&P nowadays follow this dynamic still, and even down to the tick level. Some of my members extended the concept and created their own customized indicators to identify these price projections. So I'm told that This book has helped them to see price movement in a completely different way. So once you're ready to engage the market, I've created two, or actually several tools to help traders to make fewer trading mistakes. As some of you might have heard that trading is really a bottom line business. So fewer unforced mistakes means better overall performance. The first tool is called the real-time price level tool. It provides a snapshot of all the nearby important price levels that are collected across all the time frames. At a glance, you will know if a particular price level is of any significance. So if the market is approaching that price, you're better prepared. It is much better than having so many charts of many different time frames on your screen that can easily lead to confusion and distraction. The second tool is called the Real-Time Trading Assistant. It reports all the known biases and trading signals in real time. By studying these known biases from the pattern library, you will know the implications of these biases when they are triggered. This will allow you to make adjustments to your analysis. Just the awareness of these conditions will give you a better context of what is going on. For those who are interested in only taking some of the trading signals, you can simply follow the signals and take the trades. Technically, these trading tools are browser-based and can be accessed easily on any device. Aside from the real-time trading tools, I'm still doing real-time commentaries in the morning before market open whenever I can. Although I have automated the majority of my trading for a while already, I'm still used to the routine of watching the market opening. I guess it's just part of the habit. For many traders, one of the more difficult issues with trading is the tremendous amount of information one has to process. Many members told me that they learned a lot from what I posted in real time over the years. I guess that is like a mentoring process, as you get to see what an experienced trader understand from the charts day after day. This approach and method will probably rub on you over time. I have full archive of all my real-time comments over the years. They are all time-stamped, so you can easily reference them on the intraday charts provided on the site. For those who want to improve their discretionary trading, this archive is a great place to start. And every day after the market closed, there are end-of-day reports that will let you know what kinds of end-of-day biases are triggered. And my proprietary cycle projection tool will produce a forecast of what to expect the next trading day. Provided the market is not experiencing some kind of new shock, the cycle projection often nails the important turning point for the next trading day. For those of you who have difficulties with your trading progress, or those who know that they want to go with the easier path to build their trading business, the Emini S&P day trading course is my recommended reading. Traders tend to look for trading setups or signals here and there with no coherent big picture. And due to risk aversion, traders tend to keep seeking for high probability trades that is really overrated. The intricate details of how to do a trade really matters not. If you get the context of the day correct, you can pick and choose any method, including voodoo stuff. You will still make money over time. Thus, it's better knowing what you're supposed to do for a trading day is more important than staring at the monitor like a hawk to wait for the perfect opportunity. This course explains my basic price-based framework to engage Emini S&P so that you no longer look for trades blindly or seeing tops and bottoms everywhere. Based on the framework, 10 automatic day trading strategies are disclosed and explained in details. They are fully mechanical trading strategies that you can load on your platform and see all the historical trades yourself. You will learn why they work the way they are. And in the process of understanding these strategies, you will become a better trader. And for those of you who do not want to sit in front of the desk all day to trade, and for those who is not interested in running a trading business themselves, the automated day trading service could be the answer. Given the current economic environment, trading actually matters even for those who used to invest passively in traditional investment products. Day trading as an alternative way to make money from the financial markets is a viable option to these people as long as it is done automatically. Utilizing the right kind of automated day trading strategies to manage a part of your long-term portfolio can help you improve the overall return significantly. Right now, we are working with Striker Securities to offer automated day trading strategies to retail clients. The first strategy, Big Game Hunter ES, has started live trading since May this year. More strategies on many other markets will be rolled out in year 2020. Personally, I see this as the next step in the evolution of hedge fund. Classic hedge funds have huge overhead, thanks to the complex rules and regulations governing them. That in turn makes them not able to take on clients with limited capital. With the arrangement Striker has created, normal investors can pick and choose a combination of trading strategies that they are comfortable with and have them auto-traded by Striker. This opens the door for average investors to participate in an area that was limited to large institutions, family offices, and affluent individuals. I can see this trend is developing now and will probably become mainstream several years down the road. So this concludes my presentation of DaytradingBias and its offerings. As a final word, I would like to stress the importance of keeping an open mind before your pursuit of trading. I have seen many people who pursue trading by going solo and reading a bunch of books, assuming it is an easy task. And often they would go to various forums to ask entry-level questions, assuming the questions they ask will get them closer to what they want. But what they want may not be constructive towards building a successful trading business. As Dakota puts it nicely in this quote from market research, everyone gets what they want out of the markets. So keep this in mind.
Okay. If you have any questions, please feel free to start typing them in, and I will ask them to Lawrence. Is there any kind of discount on the books for attendees?
Yep, I have prepared actually two special offers today. First, I have arranged a special discount on the Art of Chart Reading at Amazon starting today. You can get the book from Amazon for $1 only. The discount will last for a week. And then the second special offer is that for those who are interested in our premium service, I'm offering 75% off for the first month of the subscription. Just follow the link on the screen. That will give you a chance to see how the real-time trading tools work. And you can cancel anytime.
Awesome, thank you. I'm going to give everyone a couple of minutes to start or finish typing their questions in. Yes, Amazon for the books. The daytradingbias.com/futures.io link that's on the slide is the link to it. I am posting that in the chat now. So you can easily just click it. What is the average monthly return on ES auto trading?
It's on an annual basis. The average return is 50% plus. The median return is also 50% plus. So it's really consistent over the past 20 years.
Okay. What is the price of your service? I don't remember seeing that on the slide.
Oh, that. I forgot what the original arrangement was with Striker. I think it's somewhere around 100 to 120 a month.
Okay.
On a per single ES contract basis.
All right, I'll give them another minute. If there's not any questions, then we'll close. Okay, do you call out trades? Is there a trading signaling service?
The real-time trading signal is actually reported directly on the real-time trading assistance. So those signals is actually you will just see them. And if you're talking about calling trades like those chat rooms, because lately over the past year or so, I moved the majority of my trading to automated trading. So I will still post what I see. But then if you're looking for calling out trades, I think you have to look into the archive, which is something I think I may have done like several years ago.
Where do you find the offer for the books? I'm not seeing it on the link that you put on the slide.
Oh, you mean the Art of Chart Reading book?
Yes. Yeah, you said there was a discount code.
Yeah, it's not a discount code. I just enabled the discount. So everyone goes onto Amazon, look for the book.
Got it.
Yep.
What was the name of the book? Art of Trading?
Art of Chart Reading.
Chart reading. Okay. I'm posting that in the chat now for everyone as well. I think that's all the questions. I'm not seeing any more come in. There's a question on. He says, "What if they don't have the Kindle?" So it looks like the discount is on the Kindle version of the book.
Let me take a look.
With Amazon, you can actually download the Kindle app from the App Store and get it that way as well.
Yeah, that's the one that I can enable the discount.
Okay. Thank you for the information for the webinar and for spending some time with us this evening, Lawrence. If you have any questions in the future, Lawrence's email is on the bottom right, so you can email him directly and he can answer any questions. All right, thank you, Lawrence.
Okay, so thanks for having me.